we are going to talk about math today. I know your favorite subject, right? But my favorite math curriculum, I'm so excited about it. I want to share with you the pros and cons of it. I want to share with you some features that are really cool. And then also I'm going to give you a little tour, a little test drive through the math program that my kids use. So stay tuned for that. What is it? Teaching textbooks. Of course, I'm sure you already knew this. Teaching textbooks comes with CDs, right? And it comes with a binder, a book, so a text. And then it comes with an answer key and test bank. You know, this is the old-fashioned way. The book, textbook, and CD. The new way is a subscription, the online subscription for this. So this would be a subscription, it would be Algebra 2. These are the pros that I love about teaching textbooks. First, I love how easy they are to use and that I don't have to be there with my kids when they use it. These lessons are on the computer and they can replay them over and over and over and over again until they get it. It's like you're having a math teacher in your home. Isn't that amazing? Number 2, it is automated and it keeps all of the data and records for me. So mom doesn't have to be writing down all that stuff for your records. It's sweet. They will send you now an email of how your kids are doing, and whenever they do a math lesson, it sends you an email of their math score. It's very helpful. 3, no matter if my child loves math or doesn't like math, this works. We don't have the headbutting in math and the tears that can flow. Okay, all right. Sometimes there's tears, but definitely not as much as with other curriculums that I've used. And the last one is I love the online subscription. And for each math, you have a subscription you can buy. It lasts for 12 months. You can pause it so that you can save that for later. It's awesome. So those are things I love about teaching textbooks. Now, what are the things that I don't like about teaching textbooks? Okay, one of them is from my children. So teaching textbooks, if you're listening to this, I'm so sorry. My children are to blame, okay? That since they're doing these every day, and sometimes they do multiple lessons a day, they get a little bit tired of the voice and it gets irritating. So I don't give much credence to that. But that is for my kids. And another thing is just these books are huge. I mean, these books are absolutely massive. And of course, the CDs can get scratched, and then you have to buy a new one. Those are the pros and the cons. Sometimes there are so many different math curriculums, I don't even know all of them. So if you have a math curriculum that you love, put it in the comments. I promised you that I was going to show you some of the features, take you on a test drive of this wonderful teaching textbooks math curriculum, and you can see for yourself. Let's go. We are here at teachingtextbooks.com. I wanted to bring you here first so you can see all of the math curriculum and all the different things that you can look at. Again, you can buy the discs and books if that's the kind of experience you want for your kids. But then here's the downloads for all of the subscriptions, the online subscriptions for each of these. This is my daughter's, so I'm going to put in her password. And here you come to this dashboard, and there's all sorts of things. So you've got this middle thing is where they work on a lesson. Here, there's the grade book, which we're going to go over in just a little bit. And this ebook is basically, let me click into it, that big text that you would get. You also get that digitally, okay? So here's all, like, this is lesson 3. Then we have the grade book. So on the grade book, this is very helpful. It has all of the information, so like the total problems, number completed, number correct, right? And then they get a percentage, and then they even tell you when they did it last. What I love about this is you also can find out, did they view the hint? Did they have the second chance thing? Did they use that? And did they view the solution? Okay, so let's go back and I'll show you the lessons. So here they are, and you go, like, it's like a book, you thumb through it.
About shapes, you know that. Well, sometimes you might want to figure out the distance all the way around your shape. See this triangle? These numbers tell you how long each side is. So to figure out the distance all the way around, all we have to do is add up these numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 5. Why don't you do that on your own?
Okay, so isn't that great? Isn't that awesome? Right up here in this corner, it says first taught in lesson 48. So this is meaning that this concept, this math concept, was first taught in lesson 48. Well, you have a clue there. It says, okay, well, let's go back to lesson 48. Let's review that lesson, and hopefully they can get it. Okay, then they also have this hint, and they will only give this hint, I think it's 1, maybe 2 times. So there is a limit to the hints, which is nice. Okay, so here is my son's. This is Algebra 1. I kind of already went in. In fact, let's...
I is greater than or equal
Here
to
you go.
-2. Put the number -7 in for x and find the set of matching numbers for y.
Again,
You need to translate this word problem
they
into an
have
equation.
where this first, where this concept was first taught. And then, of course, you have, you've got the grade book and all the stuff that the other one I showed you. Okay, wasn't that cool? They have done such a great job in making their products better and better every year and making life so much easier when it comes to teaching math. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Toodles!